Hello guys, welcome to my room tour video. This video I should have shot a long time back, but unfortunately I couldn't. I will be leaving day after tomorrow, so I thought just for me and to remember that my room looked like this, I thought of shooting this video. So yeah, let's start. One by one I will show you everything that is present in my room. I hope you enjoy it. This is just for like my memory, but again, I just want to document all the things, especially my room, because it is very beautiful. This is the door from where I enter. Here I have stuck some hooks. As soon as you enter, on the left hand side, on the left wall, you see this. This I bought from Amazon. I bought that because, it gave pleasant vibe to the room. It says relax, soak, unwind and breathe. The days here are really hectic, so that's why I bought it, and it really gave me that energy, and also I always felt really relaxed after looking at it. Right beside it is this beautiful mirror in which you saw all my mirror selfies and all my mirror photos. So this is that mirror. I've decorated with these cute fridge magnets. This has a little bell. This I bought from Germany. We went to an immersion trip during our MBA first year. And this one I bought from Italy. We visited like 5 countries. The last country that we visited was Italy, and I bought this from Italy. And just to add an extra element, I've added this peacock feather, and that is a night lamp which gives all the aesthetic look to this small room. The study table is not usually this much clean, but just for the video purpose I have cleaned it. This is the frame which my brother got me as a Raksha Bandhan gift. Then we have this very cute little watch. There is my laptop, flower pot type, I don't know what it is. This we plucked it from the campus itself. This is like a cute DIY project I bought from Amazon, and ये plant मेरे पास था पहले से, so I've just added that plant inside this. I've covered it with the fairy lights. बहुत ज़्यादा cute look देता है टेबल को. And here just the few motivational stickers, everything just to keep me going. So this is the table, as you can see. नीचे में मेरा अपना bag रखी थी, and that is laundry bag. Here we have one drawer. I have lot of stuff inside this. All the greetings, my SSD, scissors, stickers, and all the stationery items. Then we have this. Here I have stored everything that I eat, or I can munch on it whenever I'm studying. Exactly above this table we have this shelf. I know it looks very cluttered. I don't have any other option, so I just had to utilize all the space I had. In this I kept all my books, and that is of course the waste that I bought online. And in this shelf also we have some more book compendiums. This is my laundry and a room freshener. That is the flower pot. This shelf we have this mug in which I had all the spoons and stuff that I needed to eat during night. We have some more compendiums. यहाँ पे पूरा मेरा इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस है, एज इन माई ब्लो ड्रायर, दिस इज माई ट्राईपॉड, एंड दिस इज द हेयर स्ट्रेटनर, एंड again we have this heat bag, and there is more lot of stuff here, so let's not get into that. Okay, let's start with this. So yeah, this is my card of the TEDx event that we organized. This is all the voluntary work that I did during my first year. This is for the marathon that we ran. This is the Rakhi which I got in first year. So here we have some more books and all the supplements that I used because mess के खाने से तो nutritional value complete नहीं हो रही है body की. That's it for this side of my room. After this corner we have this wall, and I have decorated my cupboard with these minion stickers. I bought this from Amazon again. It looked very pretty, so that's why I bought it. And also it has that evil eye thing, so I loved it. Inside of this cupboard, it's not at all aesthetic. I've not arranged it in a while now, and as I'm living in 2 days, I don't want to arrange it. So here you can see all the shirts, blazers, and all my formal wear. Those are the few of the coats that I used during my immersion, and jackets, my tote bags, here more daily wear stuff. Then here we have whatever I used to wear in college, and all the one pieces, the traditional wear and all. So here we have a lot of other stuff, and in this we have all my jewelry. Yeah, it is not at all organized. This is my earrings wala part, and this is traditional jewelry. In this we have little bit of makeup. Okay, so leave this. In this again we have earrings, bracelets, and other stuff. Here we have clutches. The bird looks like this completely. This minions also look very cute. Exactly above this we have more storage space. In this I have kept all the useless items. In this I've kept my one trolley bag because I have 3 trolley bags and all the storage space in my room was already utilized by the other trolley bags that I have. So right after this cupboard we have this bed and then we have this wall. Okay, so the light that you are seeing right now, it is the sunset lamp. It was gifted to me by my brother on last year's Raksha Bandhan. These are all the anime posters that I love, the characters that I admire the most. And again, one motivational quote which was of no use. This is my bed, blanket. I have also my friend here to help me pack it beside this wall. And above my bed we have this shelf, like it's like more storage space. I have added fairy light there as well and I've decorated it. Do not judge me on this. I bought this because it looked very cute. I bought from Switzerland. It's just a box. It's an empty box, so you can store anything inside it. This also we got from Austria, I think. Then we have this action figures which I bought for myself. Kakashi, my favorite, is absolute cutie, and my favorite again, Itachi Uchiha. And this was a gift from a senior. Here we have all the books that were used during this term, and then we have this few books. Start with Why She'll Never Make It. This is a Santa Claus that my friend Suman gave me, which you saw already in the video. She gave me this during last Christmas. I bought during the same immersion trip from Dubai. This is also bought by me from Dubai. It's like a Chirag ginger. It looked really nice, so I bought it. And this note was given to me by her only for the Santa Claus. Says, with love, please switch me on. After switching this on, it just goes round and round. It looks really nice. और उसमें लाइट भी चल जाती है. This is the action figure of Muichiro. Cute. It was like an impulse purchase. Got in Kinder Joy. In the first Kinder Joy, I got this cute little fish. So I thought I'll get more such nice things. So I purchased it one more time and I got this. It's absolute useless thing. It's like a comb. I don't know, but it is really very very useless. So yeah, Kinder Joy tricked me even though I'm an MBA student. Like, coming to this box, this I got from Italy. It's like Como, I think. We passed through the same streets. It really catched my eye. It was really fascinating for me. Simple box inside which we had sweet candies. The view is really nice, so I just kept it here as a showpiece. One more fridge magnet. I got this from Mount Titlis. It is really adorable. I don't know what is this. This just exists there. Coming to the bottom part of this shelf. So this is my favorite part of this whole shelf. So in Bargad we had this Dhanu Yatra, which is like a very big thing here. So I got this cute little chickens. आवाज भी आती है ऐसी. It's a cute sheep that I got as a gift. Then again we have this cute teddy. Yes, सब मैंने खुद खरीदा है. So this is a star-shaped soft toy. It looks so pretty. Beside this we have this shell bought from Amazon. So on this thing you can officially declare me as an ordinary girly. We have this salicylic acid serum, niacinamide. This is AHA, BHA peel. We have all this lipsticks and then blush, color corrector. Here we have all the perfumes, more eyeliner, mascaras, lip glosses, the makeup fixer, all the makeup essential that I need here. This also has drawers, eyelash color, eyebrow pencil, and my watches and other stuff. There's a lot of stuff here. Right beside this we have this shoe rack. Keep my water bottles. This is the AC remote. So this is the kitchen. Also I got from Italy. They were lavender scented stones. They smelled so good, so good. Really added a nice fragrance to this room. Stores, toothbrush and all. This part we have a skincare box. We have like toner, moisturizer, eye cream, hair serum. This is my absolute favorite. Sunscreen, tretinoin, hairspray, body sunscreen. Cute kitty. It has a black eye. I got scammed while buying this. Bathing essential box, the body wash. Then we have shampoo, we have conditioner, the scalp massager, dry brush, and so many things in this. So that's it for this part. And then as I told you, it is a shoe rack. I've kept all my shoes, my heels, bellies, which we wear under business formals. That's not it. As soon as we come out from here, we have more shoes and sandals and bellies over here. So yeah, that is it for this part of the room. This I bought from Italy. I just buy tempting things. sunset lamp I was talking about. It looks like this. You can see my friend there. I really hope you enjoyed it, and that is it for this video. Bye bye.